Alright, what's going on guys? This is Tarun Kashyap, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a blog featured image from scratch. And the blog featured image that we are going to create today is something that most of the professional bloggers are using these days. So I will show you how to create a professional looking blog featured image, like the image that you are seeing on the screen. This is my blog, and you can see that the featured image that I have created looks professional and very beautiful. So we will create a blog featured image like this one today in this tutorial. So to create a blog featured image like this, you need to go to canva.com. You have to create an account on canva.com. The account creation process is free. You don't need to give any money to use canva.com. So yeah, this is the home of the canva.com. You need to type in blog and you will see something like this. You will see a blog banner. So you need to click on this blog banner. You can see that 516 to 315 pixels. This is the size of the blog banner that we will be creating today. So click on this thing. So you will see a screen like this. On the right side you can see that there is a blank canvas that you can use to create your blog featured image, and on the left side you can see that there are various different kinds of templates that you can import. These are the ready-made templates that you can import on your blog featured image, but most of the templates that you are seeing on the screen right now is not that professional looking. So we will create an blog featured image from scratch, so we don't need these templates. But if you kind of like any of the templates listed here, you can always import by just clicking it, but we don't need this right now. We will create everything from scratch. So yeah, so the first process of creating a featured image for your blog post is to find a good looking background image. So to find a background image, you need to go to pixabay.com. This is a free image search engine from where you can download various different kinds of images. These are the free stock images that you can download, and you also don't need to give any attribution to the owner of the image. As you can see, no attribution required and free for commercial use. So guys, you can always use these images for your blog posts. So you need to search background. So here you will see various different kinds of background. You need to search for the background that looks something like materialistic design. So these kind of images doesn't look very good because these are very noisy, so much going on in the background. So this is something that I really like, and this is also something that I really like. This is awesome. This will be very good for the blog featured image. I have already downloaded the background, so I will not search for the background right now. I will go to design and then I will go to uploads. I have already uploaded that image for the background, so I will select it and then I will drag it up to the end, until the end, and I will drag it so that it looks fit on the image. So yeah, the image is done, and then we need to add an image on the featured image. So to add an image, you need to go to pixabay.com and then search for any vector graphics. The reason why we are selecting the vector graphics is because vector graphics look very good on the featured image. So let me show you how a vector graphics looks like. So let me search in laptop. Let me assume that you are writing about laptop. So search for laptop and then you need to search for illustrations, and then you will see various different kinds of images related to laptop. So these are the images that you can use for your blog featured image, but most of them seems to be very noisy. So yeah, this one looks really good. So I have already downloaded the image for my featured image. So this is the image that I have already downloaded from pixabay.com. You just need to search for this kind of image that looks something like a materialistic design, and then you need to open this on the Photoshop. The reason why I'm doing this is because you can see that this image has a background, blue color background. So we need to remove this blue colored background so that the image looks good. open this image on Photoshop and we will make this image transparent. My computer is really very slow, so it's taking too much time to open up. So to make the image transparent, you need to grab this and then drag it over here, over new layer, and then a new layer will be created, and then you need to click on this eye icon, and then you need to select magic font tool, and then you need to delete the background. You just need to click on this background and then you need to click on delete. So this will delete all the background. So yeah, and then you need to go to file, and then you need to go to save as, and then you need to select PNG. Make sure you select PNG, and then you need to go to select desktop where you want to save this file, and then you need to save it. Make sure you rename it first, whatever the name you want to give it, and then you need to save it. As you can see that the image has now been created and the image is now transparent. Now you can upload this image onto your blog featured image. You need to go to again canva.com, and from there you need to select the transparent image that you just created, and then you need to just drag it over here. So yeah, after it's being uploaded, you need to click on the image, and the image will be right on your screen. So resize it according to your blog featured image. I think this looks fantastic. Now we need to add the text. So click on this text thing, and then you need to select the size that you want your text to be. I want this size, so I will type in how to So after writing, you just need to make it look good. You just need to enter this and then resize it according to your image. So yeah, now you need to color this text. So to do that, you need to go to this thing. First you have to select your text, and then you need to go to this thing, color palettes, and from there you need to select the color that you want your text to be. So yeah, this is how you can create a featured image for your blog posts. This is looking really good. If you want, you can also select a background for your text. We can make this look good by just selecting the background. You just need to select any shape, scroll down, and you will see something like this, shapes. So you can select this, and then you need to resize it. And then position it to backward. And then you need to select a color for this shape. Let me color this text to something else because this is not looking really good. So let me set this to black color, and this thing to something like red color, and this is to again black color. And then you can also select the font style that you want. I like the dancing script, so I will select dancing script. So yeah, this has changed. And then you need to select the text, and then you again need to select the font style that you need to do. So again I will select Open Sans. Yeah, here it is. So this will change, and then again I will select this and then resize it. Not resize actually, I will change the font style. So let me look for the font style that looks amazing. So yeah, this is the featured image that we just created, and then you can also select the logo of your blog or your company or whatever it may be. You can select the logo and then upload it. Select your logo and then place it on your blog featured image. I think this featured image is looking really fantastic, and you don't need to hire any professional graphic designer or something like that to create your featured image. I think this is looking really good. So after that, you need to download your featured image. Just click on this download button and then press download. So your download will begin in just a minute. You need to wait a bit. So yeah, as you can see, the download has been started, and then you can click on this thing, show in folder, and you can see a blog featured image. And you don't need to hire any professional graphic designer or something like freelancer for doing this kind of stuff. You can create your blog featured image just in 5 minutes. I have shown you all the process how you can create this kind of featured images. So yeah, this is the whole process. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video and if you learned anything from this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to press the bell icon, because we keep making this kind of amazing videos related to blogging, digital marketing and all the other kinds of online related stuff. So if you don't want to miss any of the future videos that we create, please subscribe the YouTube channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.